Hi, welcome to Mama Sherry's TV. My channel is all about motherhood, family life, budgeting tips, simple living, and homemaking inspiration. Real stories, practical advice, and everyday moments to help you create a happier home and a better life. So let's grow together one day at a time. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para ma-notify ka sa mga daily activities ko. I'm also an entrepreneur. I have a small business here sa bahay. Gumagawa ako ng perfume. And I'm also a farm mom. I have 2 dogs, isang husky, tsaka isang mixed breed ng Chihuahua and Aspin. I'm also a former OFW, seafarer, and a former banker. So I worked in a bank for more than 6 years as a bank teller. But before pa ako graduate ng college, nasa bangka na ako. So, fourth year college nung matanggap ako sa bangka sa part-time teller. And eventually, pag graduate ko, na-absorb nila ako as a full-time teller hanggang naging senior teller ako. But after that, medyo mababa kasi yung sweldo. So, nag-decide ako mag-work abroad for more than 10 years. After 10 years, I decide na magstay sa bahay to take care of my kids.